Money! Oh, money, you put that money on there.
Party ready. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Arthur Fly, and today is day 19 of Vlogmas or Artmas. Thank you guys for subscribing, thank you guys for liking, commenting, etc. for those who are, and if you aren't, go ahead and do so. Now guys, remember to comment and tell me the things that you want to see, etc. Now tonight, so let's do a quick update on the hair before I start. I still haven't done anything, and I wore my hat tonight to go on the road, and I let down the hair. All right guys, so tomorrow I will be steaming it, washing it, steaming it, and going back to my normal egg and protein because I am tired of Design Essential messing up my hair. All right guys, so I think I want to do a live with that, so stay tuned for that guys. All right, so I was scrolling on, I think it was TikTok. Yeah, I was scrolling on TikTok. So as you know me already, based on the introduction, I do travels, I talk, I'm a foodie, I love to try things, hair, art, etc. So I was scrolling on TikTok and I saw this video here.
I'm going to be trying this patty combo that I saw one of my mutuals on here did. Jan, me I use, she did have a bag of things, me have a bag of things, so certain things different, because she did use red plant, but I'm using green plant, because I don't want a sweetness, I don't want the sweet, I don't want savory. I have, what is, frankfurter, egg, pineapple, well, Jesus, I mean name soup was. And then we have macaroni and cheese. I think she did use macaroni and cheese. I am so curious to find out what this will taste like. Because I'm sure I warm up the patty and I kind of broke up. Wait, let me see if I can open it instead. Without opening it without warming it up. Oh my gosh, don't. This is a beef patty, by the way, because that's all I could afford. Okay, mind your business. Watch out.
So I am going to try that day. So for those who haven't saw my short, go ahead and watch my short about the cost of patty, because it's stemming from that. Okay guys, it's stemming from that. Now, for persons who live in Jamaica or love the Jamaican patty, you know that the Jamaican patty does not full belly anymore. That's what we say. Jamaican patty no full belly again. Alright, so what persons are now doing, they're packing up and stacking up their patties and so forth, right? So I decided to try. No harm in trying. I haven't eaten anything from morning, just sausage and bread. That's the only thing I ate from morning, so it doesn't hurt to try. So I am going to try what this young lady has done. So let's begin, guys. Now I'm gonna tell you the truth whether or not it is good or not. So let's go ahead and do this. All right, these are the ingredients: franks or sausage, plantain, ripe. The original video is ripe, but the young lady used green plantain. I'm using semi-ripe, semi-green, somewhere there about, right? Is what I have. I have egg, I have the patty, I have this pine. I'm only gonna use a piece because I'm really iffing that right there. And I have the mac and cheese, right? But it's a lot. Wow. It sounds like a lot now. When I was doing it, it didn't seem like a lot, but now it sounds like a lot. But anyways, let's do this. So let's talk a little bit about patty. For those who were born in my era, I should say, I remember when patty was like $20. Patty is now what, $200? Yes, beef patty is now $200, something there about, right? So, and plus what the meat kind that they're putting in, it's not enough. I remember when you usually buy patty, and as soon as you bite into the patty, all the meat just ooze out. You have to cool it same time. You have to blow upon it and eat it. But now, as you're biting at that thing now come out, you have to wonder, where's the meat, where's the cheese, where's this, where's that. So patty is still good, you know. It's just that price of everything is going up. So the patty is now open. So I'm gonna put the egg, and I don't know if persons do this, but I like the egg like this, and I like it really crispy. I don't like the taste of the rawness or anything, so I like my egg really crispy. So I'm gonna put the plantain down. So let me turn it around so you guys can see what is happening so far. So the beef, the egg, the plantain, and the sausage is here. Oh Lord, it's a lot. I don't think everything is going to hold. I'm going to use just a little bit of the mac and cheese. Just a little. I have 25 minutes on this. Comment down below and tell me your experience with patty as you're growing up. What do you like about patty? What was your most memorable experience about patty? Do you remember biting it and then it scratch off your tongue? Do you remember you're about to bite it and somehow the patty go drop a ground? Do you remember? What do you remember about the Jamaican patty? Oh Lord, I forgot one ingredient. Lastly, and guys, I like pine, and I like pine on pizza. I like pineapple pizza, but pine in patty, me not know about that one day. Me not sure about that one. No, this is a lot. This is about $600. Yeah, $600 I'm done charge. Or probably more, like if I go everything I go up $1,000. Alright guys, let's bless and sanctify and let's eat, guys. Everything is in there. So I want to get everything, so I'm going to put the pine at the end so I can get most of everything right here. So I can see the plantain, the mac and cheese, the pine, the egg. Not seeing the sausages. But my husband, what I say? Go sit up yourself. Nobody know. It's just that the pine would have overpower everything. So let me try it again. Pine too juicy. Pine too juicy. Pine our coffee. Let me try it without the pine. Guys, it's better without the pine. Guys, just know that it's a one-time thing though. It's a one-time thing because it's too much preparation to get this, unless you already have everything at home and all you have to do is buy the patty and bring it come home. But then again, it's too much preparation unless you're going to fry the egg, the sausages, the plantain in one pot. And because your kids is going to eat macaroni and cheese, then you're going to look after the macaroni and cheese, or you have some in the fridge from overnight or something like that, and then you just warm it up and add it to it. But it's just too much preparation. It's okay, yes, pine too juicy for it, so I will eat that separate. But apart from that, it's okay. It's okay. It's I don't have a problem with it. You can't eat. But the pine is just too juicy for it. So the pine is a no-no. And I like pine and pizza. I put pine and pizza. Alright guys. Alright guys, so comment down below and tell me your thoughts about this, your thoughts about Patty, your... Oh man. Come on. Jesus. So comment down below and tell me your thoughts about this, your thoughts about Patty, your thoughts about the Jamaican culture. Whatever you have to say, just comment down below and let us have a talk below. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.